Ladies first.
Now it's guys first, honestly.
You know what? I bet you classify as a lady.
Hey, Sprout, where's the clipboard?
How's it going, guys? I'm being Kusa. I'll be driving the boat today. Just a few things with the boat. When you're on here, if you're on the back deck we're going, just make sure you're having 3 points of contact, so obviously your feet on the ground. Just hold on to something else. Any questions you guys have, feel free to ask at any time, really. With that, we can take the first 10 of you guys. You can come up on right here. There, you can sit down in any of the 2 seats back here or the seat forward up on the right side. So again, anytime you guys feel like you're a little tired, sweating, just want to get cool real quick, feel free to come inside.
And you're more than welcome to look at everything, check it out, ask questions. Don't hit like switches or buttons or anything crazy like that.
Yeah. You guys hit the wrong button, we might flip over. No, I'm kidding.
Oh, no. I need some He's that.
We do a lot of port security here too. Or not a lot, but we do some. This boat has 2 Detroit diesel engines. So there's one on each side underneath of you, one over here, and one over here.
Your first day at sea.
So no propellers, it's all you.
I won't come back. I will come back. I will come back. Hello there. Hey guys. Hello there. Belle can't swim. Belle can't swim. Our filmmaker can't swim. Our filmmaker can't swim, so if we go overboard, so I'll save her. Yeah, we got you. This filmmaker is not as nice as she seems. Sorry. This filmmaker is not as nice as she seems. She puts cameras in my face when we're trying to sleep. When you're trying. I got.
The names are different, but it's
YouTube's winner. Hey.
How long do you down to work?
The max we can be on the 45 is 10 hours.
How long is y'all's sleep camp? Or like
8 weeks. What's up, friend? So 2 months.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I don't know. I just got here. Before here, I was in Alaska, which was awesome. So, I don't know. Everywhere's been cool. This one's probably gonna end up being my favorite, but
It is nice.
You pick someone up and they have hypothermia. Yeah, we use this for gear storage as well. Keep our flares, first aid kit. Our bathroom's in there. So we can get out of here. We get the ladder. Cool down. Yep. Pretty much it. Nothing too crazy down here. You don't want to be down here when you're offshore and you're getting tumbled around. That is out of the washing machine. Just tell the other branches what you're doing. You're just training all the time. We go out here, we do the job. And it's enjoyable, it's rewarding, and you get to help other people.
Yeah, it's tough to believe that much is about them. It's powerful.
It's small, pretty freaking awful.
Tippy, how about the rest? Right in front of me?
That's a drip?
Oh yeah.
I'm back on my drip.
You're like a wet dog.
Drip by drip by drip.
Everybody's going around for the second trip. You guys all have your life jackets? Do you need some help with your life jacket? Yeah.
I wish my sister's boyfriend jumped with a bunch of great ones.
Alright, buddy. Alright.
right, how was the boat ride? Everybody like it?
Yeah, it was great.
Have fun? Alright, we're gonna walk this way. I'm gonna show you guys our comms room and our station stuff. Alright, so you'll follow me.
You guys like stop by the
Oh, amazing. Great.
Oh, no way. No way. Really?
Interesting.
To locate certain positions if we get a call for something. Over here where she's at, this is our comm station right here. Let me slide by it, guys. So we monitor channel 16, which is a distress channel. So like anybody, like any mariners that are out at sea and they have like a distress or something, they can hail out on 16, like on channel 16, and you can reach the U.S. Coast Guard on that frequency. We also monitor 22 Alpha, 127 and 410. 127 and 410 are Coast Guard only frequencies, so that's what we use to talk to each other. And 410 is what we use to talk to the helos when they're overhead. 22 Alpha is another frequency that we use just in case. But all that is monitored here. As you can hear that, it's picking up channel 16 chatter. We have 3 different towers that we ping off of mainly, but we can ping off of all of these towers. Mount Pleasant, McClellanville, Port Royal are our closest ones, and those are like right here along these points. That's what gives us the best service, basically, so that we can hear everybody clearly. But we monitor all those frequencies here. We'll have a watch stand there when we're underway if we're responding to a case, monitoring those frequencies, because if the person that needs help is on that frequency, we can switch it to whatever frequency they're on and communicate with them, like where they're at, how many people are on board, what kind of vessel do they have, do they have PFDs, which are life jackets, do they have any medical concerns, and we generally get all that information from them as much as we can before we launch. But most of the time we just get a general location and then like a description of the vessel, and then we go and find them. We also have Sector, which is they're the communication hub, basically. So we can monitor all that stuff here, and we can take responsibility for all the cases for comms here. But mainly the people that are responsible for communications is Sector, which they'll hail out to us or call us. Or we have an OOD phone, which is just a regular telephone like everybody else has. But Sector will call that phone, give us all that information I just told you. They'll give it to us, and we'll use that information to locate the vessel at where it's at, and then we'll go and help them best we can. Whether that be a person in the water, vessels taken on water, we'll go out there. We have dewatering pumps, which we use to dewater boats that need it. We also have like missing persons or vessels, like overdue vessels. So like if somebody, your dad goes on a fishing trip offshore and he hasn't been heard of or heard from since, we can ping his location. If he has a locating beacon, we can use that and go out there and find them. Or if they have like a GPS where they're following a track line, we can use that track line and follow that same route and try and find them as well. But there's a lot of options we use to find people. But yeah, this is our communication center where we monitor all that. So I'll walk you through the rest of the station. And we also have our XPO, which is an executive petty officer. This is our BMC. He's also a chief. He's the XPO, so he's in charge of personnel issues and stuff like that. Over here we have the BM1 office, which consists of an operations officer, a 1LT, and a training officer. So the operations officer, anytime we have like an ROTC tour or a recruiting event, that goes through him, or any missions that we need to fulfill. And then in here we have our training room, which is where we conduct all our trainings. So whether it be so that be life jackets, even like sunglasses or boots, everything that we use on a day-to-day basis for the mission, I'm in charge of the upkeep on that. So if like somebody, you know, loses it or it tears up, then I get them new ones to replace. We also have a law enforcement officer with us. He's an ME2, which is a Marine. He's in charge of all the like law enforcement equipment, so our weapons belts and our body armor, because we also do boardings here, which is mainly just safety inspections. So we'll board people's boats, make sure they have PFDs, fire extinguishers, all that stuff, like proper sound signals, because when you're underway on a boat, you always have to have obviously a life jacket or extinguisher if something catches on fire. So we board people and make sure they have all those things, otherwise they get ticketed. So if we want to just relax, if we want to study, whatever we want to do, you can come here. It's a little bit messy right now. We have a table, ping-pong table, board, couch. We have a TV back here as well with like gaming consoles that we can hook up, and we have like extra like smaller TVs or monitors that we use, and we can game out here as well. Chill out and make food and eat, stuff like that. So, I know y'all just sat down, but are y'all ready to make your way to the rest of the boat? Get up. So I can't really take y'all in here, but this is the engine room, so y'all can give it a look as y'all walk by, alright?
Yeah, Bailey, open the door. This time door. He said the door. Then go through that one. Go. Hey guys. I didn't get your side. Are you ready? So nice.
We got some more.
And back down these stairs.
I just passed out
I can't go on these stairs.
So watch your step coming down here. Y'all have a bit more grip on here, but it still is pretty steep and slippery.
Okay, it's recording. It's recording? Yeah, it's recording. Have fun.
You want me to hold that for you?
No, thank you though.
Hey, we got the camera! We got the camera, guys! Watch your step coming down, guys.
Guys, I just have to record.
Yes, okay. This is why I'm not working on a boat. If I had to work on a boat, I would.
I was like, hello, thank you. She said yes.
So over here,
How are you going, bro?
over here, this is DC's shop. DC does all the repair for the boat, welding, grinding, all that type of stuff, hot work. That's pretty much it for this area. This is the firefighting equipment, just for the fire on boat. What?
Do you ever get tired of these stairs?
All the time. I've fallen down all the time. It's not a great time, but it's funny. This is the Aton shop. This is where these go on the channel markers and stuff that y'all saw outside. That's pretty much it. The Aton is for decks, decky. You'll be doing the building of the channel marker, putting the channel marker in the water and hammering it. That's pretty much it for this area. This is all for like paint and stuff like that as well. So this is the barge engine. This runs ventilation and your air conditioning on the boat. Having in the barge sucks. That's pretty much it, but it's loud as heck.
Oh my God, let's keep filming.
Guys, so much fun.
Channel markers.
Okay, watch your step. Watch your step.
Watch your step coming through here. This is pretty high.
Oh, it's so hot.
Pretty bad. It's from the wet slings. So yeah, it smells like wet dog and mold. It's not good. But if y'all would like to go in there and look at it or take a whiff, go in one moment.
No, give me out.
Bro, oh boy, it smells like your shorts.
So this is pretty much it. This is the paint locker. We have all of our paint kept in that cabinet behind you. It's the worst smell in the world, I promise you. And this little hole is underneath the crane. You can't really see much, and it's just not even, it's pointless, I think. But that's pretty much it. It's hot. Wow. It's hot in here, so y'all can make your way back out if you'd like. That's pretty much it for the toilet.
What's that? I don't think that's gonna fix that.
Help me.
Anything else you'd like to say?
This is the anvil, though. We're the construction tender of the Low Country, so that's pretty much it.
Fire. Go. Guys, I don't know how to stop the camera, and I'm currently. I think you just pushed the record button again. What? Where's the record button? Okay. Press. I'll record. Hold on, guys. We just did a camera button. Press the camera button up here. That right there.
Photo of all y'all up there. It'll be kind of crowded, but I could definitely get one for you.
Greetings.
Yes.